Now back to our coverage of the coronavirus. Here in the U.S., the number of people infected has jumped to over 330,000. In the last 24 hours, another 1,300 people have died, and federal health officials warn this coming week will be even worse. Taking a look across the globe now, there are now nearly 1.3 million confirmed cases and more than 69,000 reported deaths. Spain, Italy, and Germany have all reported more than 100,000 cases. However, a little bit of good news this morning. Spain and Italy both recorded their lowest death rates over a 24-hour period. Japan, however, just declared a state of emergency after another spike in cases there, and Switzerland is also now reporting a spike. The health authorities' website there says it now has one of the highest incidences in Europe. Meanwhile, the Surgeon General in the United States is warning this could be the worst week for Americans. Vice Admiral Jerome Adams says we will get through this if we all work together, and is urging the few governors who have not yet issued a stay-at-home order to consider even a temporary shutdown to help stop the spread of the coronavirus.
Well, it's tragically fitting that we're talking at the beginning of Holy Week, because this is going to be the hardest and the saddest week of most Americans' lives, quite frankly. This is going to be our Pearl Harbor moment, our 9/11 moment, only it's not going to be localized. It's going to be happening all over the country, and I want America to understand that. But I also want them to understand that the public, along with the state and the federal government, have the power to change the trajectory of this epidemic.
Yeah, of course, talking about social distancing there, but listen to this. Ireland's Prime Minister, a former doctor, has rejoined the medical register to help out with the pandemic there. And I do want to mention the number of reported recoveries, because that's also important, and those numbers will also continue to grow. So globally, nearly 265,000 people have recovered so far from coronavirus, and in the U.S., that number is over 17,000. Caitlin Francis, Channel 3 Eyewitness News.